Hi everyone, this is Parker, and welcome to the Wondershare Filmii channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can easily create a YouTube intro in 2 different ways, using Wondershare Filmii. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated on the next video releases. The first way to make an easy YouTube intro is by creating a short video using Filmii's smart templates and clicking Auto Create. If you're editing a vlog and want to make sure people will watch it till the end, one of the best ways to achieve this is to give the audience a glimpse of what's going to happen by showing them the highlight moments of the vlog. Going through all the footage and handpicking your favorite moments can be exhausting. Using smart templates in Filmii will save you time by analyzing your clips and automatically picking the best video clips, adding music, text, and effects. Each shot lasts 3 to 4 seconds, so to create a video around 15 seconds, you should drag 3 or 4 clips to the storyboard. Hit Export to save your new intro, or if you want to edit your intro more, you can go to Advanced Editing to continue editing the rest of the video. The second way to create a video introduction for your videos is to use Filmii's animated openers and titles. To find the animated openers and titles, click Start from Scratch. And they're on the left. Place the title on top of the video clip. Click the text in the preview window to edit it. You could change settings like color, opacity, space, or shadow here. Apply an effect to the video to help the title stand out more. Or go with an opener. Choose an opener that fits your video style. Drag it to the timeline and enter the text you want. To add a personal touch, click the background in the preview window. Here you can customize the openers by changing the color settings or even applying a LUT. A LUT is a preset color look. By adding a LUT, you can change the tone of the footage. Don't forget to add music to the intro. Adding exciting or upbeat music to your introduction is a great hook to grab the attention of your audience. Filmii comes with a royalty-free music library, so you can choose the song with the right mood. You may want to edit the song to fade in and out smoothly. To do this, double-click the audio track on the timeline. Then you can adjust fade in and fade out level in the window that appears on the top right. And those are 2 simple ways to make an intro in Wondershare Filmii. What are some suggestions you would give to other creators on how to create an awesome intro? Let us know in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.